Pogi
Sorry,
ang pogi ni JL dyan, ha? Sandali.
Like,
balik natin nung mas mighty. Nakaswing.
Grabe.
Come on!
Yan.
What the hell is this going on?
Grabe.
The fudge.
So they had a comeback performance special kanina nga sa pag-release ng album na to. So syempre may mga pictures. Tapos oh my God, ang pogi ni JL. As in, hindi naman nagulat. More of like, okay, nagulat ako na parang shit, ang pogi. As in,
Oo. Hiyang siya sa Korea.
Oo nga eh. As in, oh my gosh. And he looks so much better in this video. My
He
goodness.
does.
Correct.
And
Grabe,
honestly, like, actually for all of them, like, kudos to the styling team. Steven's haircut, Hans haircut,
Yes.
lahat talaga sila parang, okay,
Oo.
nagets na nila kung paano ba pagwapuhin palalo itong mga
Correct.
gwapong batang
Sobra.
ito. Very
Oh,
good.
And to add, parang kaka-debut pa lang nila, but parang ang mamature na nung dating nila dito. Parang like, medyo parang meron na silang 1-year experience. May ganon ako feel.
Correct. 1, 2, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, this is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and welcome to another reaction video episode of 1, 2, sarang! Hello!
Hello,
Kamusta
hello.
naman kayo, mga Sarang Bays? For today, we are going to be reacting to a video from a group na kaka-release lang ng bagong album nila, bagong EP album. And, sino pa ba sila kundi ang AOF? Yay! Our very, very one of our favorite groups to follow right now. So, they just released their new EP, their second EP called The Passage. And it has 5 tracks. And we are going to be talking more about this album in another episode. So, please, abangan nyo, mga Fohas. This one's for you. So, for today, we are going to be reacting to the music video of their title track, Pinocchio. Yes! Are you guys excited?
Yeah, let's get into it.
We did an episode on their previous EP, their first EP before, and marami kami mga sinabi about, you know, what we wish for AOF. So, we're hoping that we get to see those in this new EP nga, starting with this music video.
Opening si
Ayan
Wookie.
na!
Wow! Visual! Oh, JL!
Oh, ang pogi naman.
Ah. Juwon.
Ay! Ang pogi
Steven,
talaga
oh.
ni
Pogi
Steven with
naman
this haircut.
nun.
Like, this haircut is everything.
Schweibo. Ganda talaga ng boses nito.
Yes.
And the haircut's nice also. Cute.
Wow.
You're lying?
It's like Pinocchio's house. Geppetto's house.
Spell Geppetto.
Wag na, next.
Oh, may treadmill na naman.
Oh, may script.
Oh, ano
Baka
yun?
yun ang
May
uso ngayon. Backstage.
Oo, correct.
Cute.
Hope.
Hello.
Oh, ilaw din. Oh. Hello? Ba't nakakatakot?
The new ship. Charis.
Ay!
Ay.
Oh! Ba't nila ginawa yun? Oh my God, I'm so affected. How dare they do that to the set.
Why acting?
Oh, what's that?
Oh my God, nakaka-stress.
Ba't siya nahulog? Kailangan talaga may snow lagi, no? Na set.
Kasi pa-snow na eh. Pa-winter na.
Pa-winter na. Aww.
Oh. It's giving Game of Thrones. So, what did you guys think of the video? Reactions, comments.
I appreciate kung ano yung track ng Ahof ngayon. Parang I feel like as a debut group, they're really coming off as a very introspective group. Alam mo yun? Parang very, yung mga songs nila na napakinggan na natin. Parang ang medyo emo but like a deeper emo. You know what I mean? But I appreciate it na they're trying to convey emotions and experiences that are a little bit darker than what most debut groups will try to get into. So this kind of really sets them apart from all the other groups that have debuted recently. For me, that I know of. So I'm not really sure kung ganun. Pero parang sila yung pinaka ganun yung attack. And I like it. I actually appreciate it very much.
It's continuing their whole concept of like fairy tale boys. Parang it's very, still yung concept na hindi sila not from this world. Parang ganon yung tinutuloy nila na story with this one. I can't wait to hear also the rest of the album and see how it fits in.
In the lyrics though, tama ba? I think kailangan ko pang i-analyze to onte. Pero yung sa pagkaintindi ko, it's like he's confessing na he's only lying because he has fears. Parang ganun. Because, honesty takes courage. Pero parang, well, baka rin naman translation thing siya. Pero parang he would refer to Pinocchio as a different person. Wala lang. Parang hindi ko pa napipiece together. I mean, it sounded like he's being Pinocchio, right? Like him confessing na nagsisinungaling ako dahil nga takot ako, etc. Pero yun nga, like biglang Pinocchio, ano yun? Something like, basta he referred to Pinocchio as if a different person or something like that. But again, possibly a translation thing.
Ang intindi ko actually, pinopertain niya yung sarili niya as Pinocchio.
Or parang metaphorically na, I am just like Pinocchio. So si Pinocchio kasi ganito, parang ganon. And then there was like also this lyric about he had to lie to protect that person. Parang may
correct.
May ganon. Kaya parang okay, para din akong si Pinocchio. Baka.
Correct.
I guess yun nga, it's like a sentence structure thing. Kaya na-confuse ako. So, kailangan ko lang siya i-analyze pa ulit.
Ang iniisip ko nga, I mean, debut group, they talk about love, but I feel like, and this is just me overthinking it. Parang feeling ko he talks about Pinocchio. He says he's Pinocchio, but the lies also pertains to himself. Alam mo yun? Parang in connection din with their previous album, the debut album. Parang a lot of it is about self-reflection. Diba? Parang about like being better people. Ganon. So, yun yung dating sa akin. Parang you doesn't really pertain to another person, but it can also be read as pertaining to self. Na I lie to myself to do this. And the music video, for me, kind of like echoes that. Alam mo yun, set siya. Alam mo yun, parang pwede kasing, since set, it's just a
There's
facade.
A front and a back.
It's a front. It's a facade. You create it, diba? For the rest of the world to see. And then eventually, pinasabog siya because the lies are done. I'm done with it. Alam mo yun, I'm gonna change. And then the whole appears and then he goes to his real self. Parang ganun. But, I mean, till the very end of the video, there's still pain. Walang resolution eh, 'di ba? Parang it's just about pain. And I appreciate it actually na parang nandun lang siya sa mundong yun. Kasi parang end of the day, when you're having trouble naman with your feelings, alam mo yun, with certain situations, and it's good to accept it first before finding a solution to the problem. Eh. So I feel like that's how I think what the music video is all about. Just like, accepting where you are and then eventually getting to that better place. Maybe the album has that. I don't know. We haven't, heard it yet, but I like what they're trying to put out there with this song and with this music video.
Actually, medyo strong nga tong kanta to as to jump off in that, yun nga, pagpasok sa, ano ba yan, hirap, pagpasok sa album, sa pagpakinig sa buong album. Now, I'm curious as to kung anong tunog nila for the other, because there are 5 tracks in this EP, so this is the one of it lang. So, ano kaya ang tunog ng other 4, right? Can't wait for
Correct.
that.
Exactly.
And like, in terms of like the music video, like, sobrang gusto ko rin yung timpla because obviously, I mean, Pinocchio, it's a fairy tale character. So there is something very fairy tale-esque about it. Like, there's something about the grading, yung medyo, what do you call that? Yung pagkailaw sa kanya and starting with, someone shooting an arrow to the moon. I mean, that's a very, very children's book kind of
Correct.
visual, diba?
Yes.
Pero they didn't go all out like children's book. And parang mas on the dark children's book. You know how there are like dark versions of like Little Red Riding Hood or something like that. Parang ganun siya, but obviously toned down also because like that Little Red Riding Hood was dark, guys. Like, freaking scary. So they didn't go super deep naman in the darkness. So tamang timpla lang siya. And I guess, alam mo yun, parang age and theme appropriate for the song. I like it. I like the visuals. I'm not so sure though if I can take another running shot. Alam mo yun, running to the horizon shot. And even the snow shot, like them dancing, like, in like a flat snow, whatever, na malamang green screen chroma lang din yon when they shot it and stuff. Like, I mean, I'm not dissing it being part of the video. It's just that, my gosh, K-pop, can we move on?
Correct.
Like, I would like to see others
kasama sa
naman.
listahan yun. Rite of passage kasi nila yan.
Kailangan ng
Gawin
running,
nila para
no?
sumikat sila. Imagine,
Correct.
lahat ng sikat ngayon nang galing dun
But anyway, you wanna check out the video again, we'll stop and go to like, we wanna point out mga things that we're curious about and talk about pa in this video.
Hey.
Ayan, pause mo dun kay Wonky. Yan. Si Wonky in his main character era, like, I'm so proud na siya yung opening because we know the diva that he is. Super deserved.
Yes.
Gusto ko rin i-point out na ang ganda ng bow. It's made out of like a branch.
Oo.
I mean, dun sa end if kanina at least, if you backtrack a little bit, you can see like the small branches pa. So it looks like a natural
Ay, hindi na
thing.
Oo.
Na
Hindi
parang
siya
siya
yung-
lang gumawa,
correct.
ganon.
Di naman. Yes. Oo. Si
Or
Robin
baka
Hood siya.
kasi kahoy din si Pinocchio, di ba? So maybe it's a
So
part of Pinocchio. It's the nose. Pero what I
Kailangan
wanna
ma-emphasize na kahoy siya. Ganun.
correct, oo. What I
Kailangan
wanna
may
point
branches.
out, parang this part kind of reminds me of TXT. Si TXT din kasi meron din silang medyo fairy tale-like
Correct.
concept.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
To a
Kasi
certain,
Oo.
correct,
Oo.
mga prince sila, di ba? So parang this kind of reminds me of them. Ayan.
Very much so.
Correct. Ayan! Makikita
You
natin yung
know,
branch.
Ayun.
So,
Dahil
tangkay siya.
kahoy.
O, diba? DIY.
DIY. Alam mo yung sa Instagram, 'di ba merong Instagram account na parang sticks of the world, parang ganon. And people just submit their different sticks from different parts of the world. So I think
that's
pwede
so
nila i-submit to.
cute. I think so.
Sticks of the world.
So,
Okay.
pwede silang maging stick of the day, ganon.
Stick of the day,
Correct.
yung kay Wonky. Yung kanyang bleached white stick. Alright.
Correct. Shooting the moon.
Oh, I like that part. Pogi
Pogi.
ni, sorry, ang
Oh.
pogi ni JL dyan ha. Sandali,
Like-
balik natin nung mas mighty,
Oh
nakasquint.
my goodness.
grabe.
Come
Grabe
on!
yan.
What the hell is this going on?
Grabe.
The fudge.
So they had a comeback performance special kanina nga sa pag-release ng album na to. So syempre may mga pictures. Tapos oh my God, ang pogi ni JL. As in, hindi naman nagulat. More of like, okay, nagulat ako na parang shit, ang pogi. As in,
Oo. Hiyang siya sa Korea.
Oo nga eh. As in, oh my gosh. And he looks so much better in this video. My
He
goodness.
does.
Correct.
And honestly,
Grabe,
like,
oh.
actually for all of them, like, kudos to the
Mm-mm.
styling team. Steven's
Yes.
haircut, Han's haircut,
Yeah.
lahat talaga sila parang,
Oo.
okay, nagets na nila kung paano ba pagwapuhin
Oo.
pa lalo itong mga
Correct.
gwapong batang
Sobra.
ito. Very
Oh,
good.
And to add, parang kaka-debut pa lang nila, but parang ang mamature na nung dating nila dito. Parang like, medyo parang
oo.
meron na silang 1-year experience. May ganon. May ganon ako feel.
Correct.
Okay.
May butas na.
Pogi, oh. Haba ng pilik mata.
Sobra. Ganda. Hi.
June. Mukha siyang elf doon, no? Isa
Mm.
pa, pogi ni JL din doon. Kailangan natin
Oo.
i-emphasize lang ulit na asan na ba siya? Yun.
Ayan no,
Ay,
kitang-kita mo pa
napupunta kay
yung,
Han.
yung nunal niya. Parang
Oo.
naka-highlight dun sa ano niya, sa cheekbone niya.
Yun.
Oh, ang ganda.
Tapos ang
Ganda,
tangos
oh.
ng ilong and the jawline is
Sobra.
jawline.
And the jawline. The Korean jawline. Huwag natin kakalimutan din si
Jungwon.
Sorry, si
sinasabi mong
Jungwon.
Park Bogum.
Oo, Park Bogum. Ang Park Bogum ng Ahof. I will
ang
insist.
tulis ng mga
Diba?
chin.
Jongwoo?
Grabe yung
Jongwoo
L.
yata. Jongwoo.
Jongwoo. Oo.
Yes.
Tama, Jongwoo. Jongwoo. Okay.
Jongwoo. Let's go, Ulthera.
Ayan.
Ayan o.
Ang pogi
Pause mo
nun.
kay Steven. Kailangan natin siyang ma-appreciate.
Kailangan natin ma-appreciate si Steven. Nasaan na si Steven? Steven, balik ka dito. Ayan.
Ayan o.
Oo.
As in,
Gosh, he looks like
giving-
Wonu here.
Ako, it's giving, Mingy of Stray Kids. Like, this
Ah,
haircut, I swear,
Mingy.
is everything. The cut and the
Oo.
color.
Mingy.
Yes.
Idiz.
Oo. Sobrang ganda Tapos, basta parang pag nag-Weavers Live pa sila ni JL, sobrang silang nakakatawang dalawa kasi sobrang kapugian lang talaga nitong na to. Ayun lang,
Ganda
kailangan
ng look
natin
niyan to.
ma-appreciate yan.
Correct.
Thank you,
Correct.
Stylist Nuna.
Oo. Bigyan ng raise.
It's a pair. Ano yung sabihin ng pair?
To be fair, sir, sige, mamaya na. Ito, yan din, si Shuaibo
ayan.
din. Actually, parang nalito ko kanina, akala ko si Daisuke. Kasi
Ako rin.
parang,
Ah.
kailangan kong titigan pa lalo. Lahat talaga sila, pinag-glow. Glow
Pinag-glow,
up,
no?
agad-agad.
Glow up. Totoo.
Or
Parang nawala ng
mature?
konti yung youthful features nila.
Oo.
Kasi for me, parang ang tangkad ni Shuaibo, pero pag tingnan mo yung mukha niya, parang sobrang baby. Pero
Oo.
dito medyo nag-mature na siya ng slight. Alam mo
Hmm.
yon. Napagod na silang lahat eh.
Agad-agad.
Kaya si Chien, kailang mag-hiatus. Chien, sana okay
Nahirapan
ka
na
lang.
sila. Nahirapan na silang humiga sa stage, tas pagtayo nila, basa-basa ng pit nila.
Correct. Ay, nako. Kailangan lagyan na ng Botox yung mga puwet para hindi mag-sweat.
Hindi, ulan
aga
naman
pa.
yun, to be fair.
Ay, sorry. Akala ko pawis.
Hindi, ulan. Nahiga sila at naulan na ng stage.
Sorry naman. Sorry. Okay, let's move on.
Oo, ang pogi, grabe.
Oo. Ay, para silang may nunal pala doon.
Avocado ba yun, Charis?
Peras.
Pair.
Yan din, si Han,
Oo. Ay,
Like
di
this
maganda nga
haircut, like, hello, Rhea. Rhea sent me like a photo from something ni Han. As in, sabi ko,
Oo.
this haircut of Han is,
yan.
si Han o si Jungwon? Magkamukha.
Han, si Han.
Oh, kita mo? Parang, ang pogi Hindi
Pogi.
kasi siya,
Oo.
to be honest, hindi ako napupugian sa kanya dati. Pero ito, grabe. In
Parang his
fairness.
features are, parang ang sharp nung features niya before, pero for some reason, nag-soften siya dito for me. Parang it's a little bit more,
I just really like yung dating niya. Ang powerful ng
Correct.
vocals niya
correct,
kasi.
the vocals.
Tapos the shot
Totoo.
pa, like him charging
Correct.
to the camera.
Yes.
So parang
Oo.
the force, he really felt it. So parang,
Yes.
wow,
Correct.
like,
Oo.
okay, presence. Let's go.
In
Yes,
fairness.
yes. Yes, what's your lip color, Marmsh?
JL
Ng set
Center
na
sa
to.
chorus.
JL Love.
Of course. And it's a really cute set,
Let's pause at the set. Kasi feeling ko magandang Parang siyang theater stage, no?
It
Parang,
is.
it feels more like that.
Into
for
the
me.
woods. It's giving into the woods.
Into the
ganon.
woods,
Pero
oo.
pwede nga naman siyang bahay ni Geppetto.
Correct.
Oo.
Tama ba yun?
Geppetto House.
Clocks yun, no? Yung nasa
Oo,
other
mga
wall.
Yes,
clock.
on the right. Yeah, mga clocks.
Oh, tama yun. Grandfather
Oo.
clocks. So that's German. German ba si Geppetto? Di ko
Di ba
alam.
sila
Parang
Italian?
Italian. Oo, parang
Italian.
Italian. Oo.
May clocks din naman sa Italy.
Oo. Magandang siya. Parang, I don't know, parang, I mean, these are the kind of videos na gusto kong himayin. Alam mo yun, kasi ang daming laman, ang daming pwedeng kutkutin, ganun. Parang I like na may clocks, parang like, I guess there's like a consideration of time. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Na parang like time is involved in the lying or something like that, or time will tell the truth or something like that. But
In
I
the
like
song,
it
though,
being
they
there.
would sing, in the song, they would sing na parang, something like, now I want to say the truth. Parang ganon. So, time is involved.
Yeah.
And I love that the window is pabilog. Parang napaka-fairy tale talaga.
Totoo.
Like a clock or an
Oo.
eye.
Correct.
Usually, pag pabilog, pag sa sets, pag may bilog, ibig sabihin, meron kang sinisilip that usually symbolizes like a focus or silip. Like, yun nga, like an introspection theme or something like that. Which makes sense for the song because
Exactly.
it's very, very like that. Diba?
Oo,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes.
And kita mo pa
agree.
yung bato ng ilaw sa taas. So,
Yeah,
parang
I
it
love
all goes
that.
through like that whole theme. And I love that JL is in the center of all of this. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-frame sa kanya, oh.
Oo.
Love it.
Si Wonky na to.
Natakpan na siya. Nasa likod na ba si
Oo.
JL?
Pero una dyan siya. Siya yung nasa
Very
Pero
good,
correct.
Wonky.
Oo. And I appreciate like groups na parang yung uniform costume sila. And then they dance ng parang ang sarap lang tingnan. Tapos kunyari may theme pa and all. Parang, I don't know, it just feels, may certain kilig siya for me pag magkakapare sila outfit.
Can we play it a little bit more lang? I just want to see what they're wearing exactly.
Okay.
It's like parang
Yan.
school uniform of sorts. Cute
Oh.
din
With
the
a
outfit
choker.
na nakapuruntong with the socks. It's very Pinocchio.
Correct.
I mean, ganong look, diba?
Oh.
Buti hindi
It does
sila
feel
nag-jumper. Kasi diba may jumper.
Parang
Ay,
masyado
may
na
suspenders pala, sorry.
Wala nang subtlety.
Oo nga eh. Buti walang ganon. Kasi,
Parang dinaan nila sa yung suspenders na sa leeg na lang. Ganon.
shit. Because
Doon na
they're
lang nila
being choked
dinala.
by their lies. Oh.
Pwede. Oo. Ayan.
Shit. Oh, lagi talaga akong kinikilig ko nakikita ko mga backstage stuff.
Oo. Tingnan natin, ano nakalagay? Ahof,
nakalagay?
Pinocchio by Jan Lee, written by Minsu Park.
Sino
Who
sila?
are they?
Yun ba yung mga
Baka
ng
para lang
director?
yan sila Sandy tsaka si Jamie ng Boy Next Door. Yung mga lagi
correct,
nilang binabanggit na mga
correct.
Si
pangalan.
Daniel, tsaka si Daniel.
Si
Oh, tsaka si Jiho.
Gio, sino sila?
Correct.
Si Jiho. Si Zico.
Correct. Oo. correct.
Malalaman
Ayan.
natin.
Oh, what are the books?
Tapos ang cute
Snow
pala,
White.
nakakaano
Tama
lang
ba?
siya. Naka-bull clip lang siya ng ganyan, no?
Correct. True.
Nakakamiss. Ang backstage.
Ang backstage work. Wait, so can I just ask lang, parang bakit whenever they do videos now, pag kailangan nila ng background people, they're usually foreigners, no?
Actually.
Parang, di ba?
naisip
Parang
ko rin yun kanina. Bakit?
Diba? Bakit? I mean, I have a
Maybe-
theory, but really why? Diba?
Share your theory.
Yeah.
Yung theory ko kasi parang it gives the group a little extra oomph kung foreigners. Kumbaga parang tumataas yung production value nila pag foreigners yung mga
Kasi
best nila.
gumastos sila for a TF ng
parang
extra.
ganon. Correct. Tsaka parang
Or
automatic,
ano,
hindi sila sa Korea nag-shoot. Outside sila
Oo.
nag-shoot. Parang ganon.
Or pwede rin na commentary siya because apparently tumataas sa mga foreigners living in Korea.
Pang come on to.
Or, oo.
You can work here.
Pwede
ganon.
kayong maging extra, ganon.
Ay, naku, pwede tayo doon.
May experience ako. Ganon. Pero ako naman, ang theory ko, parang, I mean, these guys, they look like Westerners. So it's really just to differentiate the group from the background people.
Contrast
Para
lang.
lang,
Ganon.
contrast lang. Para hindi ka natitingin sa mga mukha nila, tapos focus ka na on the band members.
Kasi pag Korean, baka parang, ay, baka pogi. Ganon.
Or kung maganda kasi.
Oo.
Or you're wondering, is this an idol too? Or is this a group member? Alam mo yun? So this one, since it's like it's like a shot lang of one. Like, focus ka lang on the one. Pero kung, theory lang naman. Baka lang naman. Or baka friends nila sila. Hindi ko alam.
Correct.
Ang
Or
pogi
baka
ni
yun.
Daisuke. Sobrang cute niya
Oo,
dito.
Actually, tumanda na siya. Hindi na siya baby boy.
Oh, hindi. Baby pa rin,
Baby
para
pa
sa
din,
akin,
pero
baby
hindi pa rin, hindi tulad nung pagka-debut niya na parang sobrang baby niya dun.
Alam mo kung bakit
Parang
siya
ngayon
mukhang
medyo
baby
ano
pa
siya,
rin.
Teenager na.
Kasi ang liit ng katawan niya. So, hindi pa pumapantay yung katawan niya sa head
Correct.
niya.
Correct.
pa siyang little boy.
Parang si Wuna ka lang nung nag-debut siya. Okay. A-Hope. Kasi hindi naman ako si J-Hope eh.
Hindi. Kasi Ahof.
A-Hope, oo.
Ahof.
Oo. Can you just share? Sobrang
Nakakatakot
medyo
talaga.
nakakatakot. Parang siyang The
Yung sabi-
Shining.
Yun nga eh.
Oo. Yung kambal sa The
Bakit
Shining.
yung
Medyo
black?
scared.
Hindi yung thoughts ko.
Yung sa akin yung dating may bagong ship na naman silang pinupush. Kasi 'di ba si Chien tsaka si JL yung una nilang parang
Correct.
So
Oo.
ngayon, kaya naman Jongwoo.
Jungwoo JL
change
naman. Paano ang name na nga? Jungwoo J-Woo na sila. Ganun.
Hindi natin masabi, kailangan tanungan yung mga Ahof. Ano ship
Oo
name
nga.
nila? Please let us
Correct.
know.
Oo. Fohas.
Mga
Let
Fohas.
us know. Oo. Ayan na. Hoy, ang galing niya dito. Sobrang acting era. I love it. I'm convinced. Pero kahit na nakaganon siya, kailangan nakalabas pa rin yung kailangan dancer mode pa din.
Correct.
Kailangan nakalabas pa rin
Can
yung
you stop
pinky.
this? Can you pause
Here?
this? I want to figure out kung ano tong mga nasa walls. Are they
They are,
letters?
I can see,
Or
these are all woodwork.
wood stuff?
So, So may Pinocchio actually doon, and then merong like the wooden man thing that you used to draw. Used to, yung pang guide mo.
the figure
Oo.
guide one.
Yeah. Oo. So, looking at it all, kumbaga parang,
So, wood
this
theme
looks like
to.
Geppetto's workshop na nag-fall into itself. Parang ganun. A black hole of
It's
Geppetto's
nice
woodshop.
though.
Mm-mm.
Pinocchio hates the lies.
Ive! Check out.
Oh, ito na. Tama. Wait, watch out for the shot. This one, no?
Is it this one?
Yung mukhang
Yeah.
nung mukhang humahaba yung
Tumatas yung ilong
nose
mo.
niya.
Oo,
Ang galing.
correct. Oo.
Ah,
Tsaka yung chin.
see
Check
what
out.
you did there.
Oh.
Ilang ibon yun?
Aw.
9 ba yun?
Para nandito pa rin si Chien. Ganon.
Oo. Ay, sabay-sabay sa'yo nahuhulog. Game of Thrones nga. I just find that shot super weird though. Comment lang.
Yung may
This one,
spotlight.
This just feels a little too jarring for me. Kasi ngayon lang siya nilabas eh. Tapos after nun, hindi na siya bumalik.
That's the moon. That's where
Oo nga.
Yung sa start.
Monkey started.
It's just the shot eh. Parang like, this shot feels more like Cortez than it feels like Ahof. You know what I mean? Na medyo distorted si Steven eh. So I don't know, yun lang yung parang medyo, may ganun lang ako ng slight. Ganun.
Sa bagay. Ano kayang ibig sabihin? Bakit biglang nasa snow sila? Gusto ko talaga malaman.
Sa desolate place. Or they're surrounded by the wall of their lies.
Pero hanggang dyan lang yung wall.
Pero hanggang dyan lang.
Pero hanggang dyan lang. So, nakaka-escape naman pala sila doon.
Oo nga. Unting lakad lang. Tas,
Correct. Oo.
Pero weird lang kasi they're singing about them being trapped in lies. Pero like, from the beginning to before the end, it felt like a warmer place. Tapos biglang snow. So, I don't know, parang hindi ko lang maisip pa kung ano ba yung trajectory, kung bakit biglang kinailangan nasa cold sila. Wala na bang ibang maisip?
Oo. Kasi parang coming from the lies, and then they drop into like this very darling vibe for me. Yung pinasukan nilang mundo.
Correct.
Oo.
Tapos, so parang it feels like there's a freedom to it na nandun sila. And then biglang nagkaroon ng snow. So, I don't know, parang kung ano ba to, kung idadabdaba natin to. Denial, anger, ano ba yung B? Betrayal, depression, and acceptance. Ano ang snow doon?
Depression.
Baka yun yung denial. Kasi parang, di ba nakalabas sila dun sa world of the lies, and then they got freedom. But then they still had to lie. Maybe that's why they're back in that cold place na kailangan lang nila lumakad ng konti. Free na naman sila ulit.
Free na naman sila. Pero kailangan mo na tapusin yung sayaw nila bago daw nagawin yun.
Correct.
Parang hindi hopeful yung song. Parang ganun yung dating. Kasi they're still
Pero
trapped.
parang wala siya kasing open-ended siya eh. Kumbaga nililimit lang niya yung sarili niya dun sa experience eh. So, in a way, having that kind of end makes sense for what the song is trying to convey. Na, alam mo yun, cyclical din siya. So, how do you get out? If you're lying to protect, you're the one you love because that's love, but you lie. So, baka may ganun.
Naisip ko lang, although I don't know pala kung pang anong number to sa track list. But anyway, since they opened the album with this song, as the title track, I'm sure nakatuhog yon kasi when we talked about the first EP, yung Who We Are, parang we kept on saying ang galing dahil magkadugtong talaga lahat ng kwento. Like may kwento.
Yeah.
So maybe when we listen to the other songs, we'll see
sense.
the hope somewhere.
Yes.
Parang nandito tayo sa depressed, like denial stage. Alam mo yun?
Of the story.
So, sa mga nakikinig
so
sa
makes
amin,
it even more interesting.
Sa mga nakikinig sa amin, mga FOHA, abangan nyo po ang aming episode on the album. Doon naman namin ang thoughts on it. Yes.
And I
I'm
can't
really
wait to see
excited.
the stages as well. Kasi so far, chorus lang nakita natin na sayaw eh. Kasi ang haba nung part ni Juwon na naglalakad lang siya. So, ano kaya isasayaw niya doon? Na-excite ako sa ano niya. Kasi parang nabitin ako sa main character energy niya dito. Masyado pang madilim yung shot kahit na pink yung hair niya. Parang feeling ko sa stage na lang ilalabas kung ano man yun dapat for that part.
Lots to look forward to. So, we agree this is a banger, good start to the EP, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
The music video has so much to offer. Ang daming pwedeng pag-isipan. At parang feeling ko talaga ang daming pwedeng kutkutin relating to the rest of the EP. So we can't wait to talk about it. The Passage, wait for it. Fohas and Sarang Bass. We can't wait to talk about it too. Okay?
Yes.
So thank you, Aho, for this really, really nice music video. You have entertained us tonight. And see you soon. So this has been fun, guys. Share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See you on our next episode on the AOF episode. Thank you. You're the best. Kumowo, Chegoya, and Sarang.
Sarang